Hello friend, welcome to my tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to make a video like this one. Okay, let's get started on how to make an intro video like this. First of all, I'm using Camtasia Studio 8 and open your Camtasia Studio from your start menu, then go there, click on here, then you will open this one. First of all, I have already insert this video first of all. And how you can insert a video, go to import button and then you can select any video. Then after this and you can write something on over the video. Okay, just I write this one on this section, and you can drag this if you want to work clearly, then you can use it, drag and drop. You can minimize or maximize. Okay, this one I have written welcome to my CU based #1 newspaper. Just click on here, then when you click on here, then you can edit anything. Okay, and I'm just going to edit something. Oh, that's not. Okay, you can edit anything whatever you want, as well as I wanna change a font. You can change your color also, and I will change color. I will change my color. Okay, and okay, now I'm gonna play this one. Yeah, next one, this one. Okay, just I have written my website name, and you can edit anything here as well as you want. Okay, just I am editing CU news. Okay, and you can change any color, anything else also, and I can select all words. Then you can increase your font size, and I'm going to increase my font size, this one 6:5. Okay, and click on here. It's already done, and you can drag here. Okay, this you can drag this here. This is one. Okay, this is the middle. This logo is on middle option, so I have a select this one. And number 2, just going to play this one, but you think that this color isn't perfect because it is not visible to all the people. So I'm gonna change the font color, and you can change font color whatever you want. Okay, I'm just going to change my font color, and you can also this one bold colored. I don't need it, and you can change here also which font you want to use this. Okay, and you can drag and drop here. Yeah, this one. Display this one. Then I'm now going to another one. This one I want to edit, and okay, write here name. Just I'm going to type facebook.com. See your news one, and now going to play this one. Yeah, I think that this font color is not visible to all, so I am gonna change the color. Now I'm gonna change the color from red to white color. Just select it all and then click on here. Okay, so after done everything, then you can play this one. Yeah, we have made an intro video for any kinds of video. You can for any video you can use this intro, and after done everything, then you can produce and you can convert your convert this video into MP4 and with any customized size. Then click on produce and share button, then click on here produce and share, and in here we see lots of settings, lots of quality of the video you can choose as well as you want. If you want to high quality, if you want to get high quality, then you have to select each one. This is the top and high quality. This is the middle 480 pixel, and this is the middle option 720. This is the normal pixel. Okay, I'm just gonna select this top high quality pixel. Okay, then click on next button, and in here you can write your anything. Just I'm gonna write into video of cunews1.com. Then wherever you want to see save this video, then you can select. Just in here I am gonna save this video in desktop folder. That's why I have selected desktop, then click on save button. And you can also write the name, don't use any dot. Okay, then click on here. After that, and just click on finish button, and this video is now rendering, and it will take some moments, so wait until completed this rendering. Yeah, it's completed. Let's see. Now successfully we have made a video for into to add any video. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you don't understand anything, then please make a comment below the description of my video. Goodbye.